Woo! Made it back just in time. Good morning, friends. Welcome back, YouTube. Let's see what we can get into today. 2 p.m. candle shot up, and my practice targets were above. Everybody knows what I was aiming for. I was hoping for a dip first. Actually, you guys all know I was aiming for, previous week high, that double top right there. And we had just taken sell side liquidity for the New York AM session. Really choppy. I don't know what's going to happen beyond my targets. So once they get hit, it's like, whatever. Well, let's see what kind of mess we can get into here. We'll do daily on this chart. We'll do 1 minute on this chart. Yeah, typically when it shoots up first, I'm looking for it to go down after. So this was kind of disappointing, but we had taken sell side liquidity down here. So, yeah, I think I was aiming for previous week high. We'll just double check here. Yeah, that nipple right there. Where are we at for the week? Anyway, we are in a down close candle. Is that right? Wow, we're back below the open. So I want to aim for the open as well. Just put a ray right there. We're almost at that open. Just give me a little bit more down here. I would like that. I'm going to take a shot. And see what that risk is all about. Oh, it's a little much. Disclaimer, I'm not giving signals. I'm not that guy. Just doing what I want to do. And you guys are alongside for the journey. So if I get stopped out, it's my risk. And this is what I want to do. Hey, what's up? What's up, everybody? Yeah, so I just needed something to aim for. Let's see. Let's go right here. So same yesterday, I ended up down, I think, $400 or $600. So I'm going to keep that risk, and I'm just going to do a $1,500 risk today. And let's see what happens. Turn on some beats. Get some beats happening. There we go. Let's just watch the analysis do the thing. We're going up there. How'd y'all do today? Doing great? I say you cooked. Good. I hope it stops me out. I hope it does, so I can come back a monster. Alright, Staz. Sam, the Crypto Lifer, is on YouTube. Let's go show support for our brother and go like his stream. If he's upcoming, so he's gonna wait a little bit. All right, go like it anyway. Please and thank you. He'll be live in 9 minutes. What's up, everybody? Shout out Sniper Meow, Staz, Plague Dogs, Off Near, Psycho Bear, Wild Berries, Bellicose. Who do we got? Ricky did it. We got, who is this? MG, BD Rose. Nice. What's up? Maria, Mary Yux. You're just Mario. I've just been calling you Mario this entire time. In a non-offensive way. Yeah, throw some Hello Kitties in the chat. What's up, Badgery? Woo! Come on, snap down, stop me out. I dare you. I triple dog dare you. Please like the stream. Like my stream this time. If you haven't already, please and thank you very much. What else? Share to your social medias. If you guys like what I do, get me out there. Let me see what you got. When it gets to that equal high, I'm likely gonna move my stop up just to secure it. Or maybe just take it. I don't mind just taking it either. Give me a little more, please. Give me a little boopski poo slingshot action here. Give it the old Haktua. Here, we'll let it run into my stop or my take profit. That's pretty satisfying. Right there. Rejection block. Yes, round trip me, do it. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. It's a him, Mario. Come on, almost targets. Yeah, it's good. It's probably gonna hit. See, if I was short right now, like the rest of the planet, and it was doing this, I'd be sweating, likely over leveraged because of the chop all week. You know, people be like, oh, look at the bear flag. It came from up, so it's got to keep going. So everybody's stops are just piled above the market. I mean, look at this double top, right? If you Google it, what do double tops do? They reverse price. So sure, it reversed price for a while, but everybody's stop losses are piled in here. Everybody. And there's sell stops down here too. And it would be hilarious if it round tripped me. I wouldn't even put it past it at all. But those people that are short, they're just like, please, give me a bearish engulfing candle. Please. Yeah, you caught the same trade. Yeah, just wait 1 minute after the news release. And if your model's there, I mean, you should be typically waiting about 15 minutes to a half an hour to engage with price. But like I was saying, when I started it, sell stops were taken here. And everybody's notes that I was aiming for this, especially from yesterday's live. And then, of course, the previous week's high from the beginning of the month. So today's only Wednesday. So, you know, we still have 2 more days of the week left. Has anybody else noticed that, like, time slowed down a little bit this week? Has 1 minute, like, not even in the charts, just in your everyday life, has 1 minute seemed like 20 minutes? It'd be so good if they took the time accelerator off. If they disabled the time acceleration, because man, the last 10 years have just flew by. Yeah, me too. It's pretty weird. A little wiggle, a little bit. And just so you're aware, I'm definitely cool with this thing round tripping me. It's not gonna bug me at all. So if you're in and you want to take profits, go ahead. Be my guest. Busta, I'm not in this. It's cool. You should be used to round trips. Yeah, and I've been looking for these targets for like a couple of days now, so it's gonna give it to me. Or it's gonna take my money. One of the two. That's the kind of attitude you have to have as a trader, especially if your risk is in check, right? You're not over leveraged, you know, it's FOMC, things could go really sideways. You know, it's not a big issue when you're being responsible. You know, when you're in a desperate state of mind, or, you know, just you got no mental capital, you just feel really taxed. What'll happen is you'll just make illogical decisions. Put in 5 contracts and be like, please pay me, please. Truthfully, I've never been in a better state of mind. It's pretty nice when price action's being favorable, even in this like kind of macro chop accumulation range we have here. Price has been like organized and not too shabby. And it really helps that state of mind when things are in agreement with you. Maybe it's the submarine. Past year was the fastest for me. Yeah, this year just flew. The last 2 years are really just gone. What's Sam doing? Live yet? No live yet. Yeah, planning so much and forgetting to live life. Plus, when you're like studying and you're focused on things, you're not really paying attention to time. So it just seems to fly by, especially if you're having a good time. It seems to be the thing. At this point in your trade, if price comes back to your entry, would you close it at BE? Yeah, likely. Yeah, absolutely. Like I could move my stop up, but it depends what it does when it comes down, how it drops, what time it drops at. So like if it was to drop in 7 minutes, 7 minutes now, I wouldn't move my stop up. I'd likely add. Yeah, that's just it. You got to put up risk for your business to make money. In any business, it doesn't matter what type of business you are, there's always going to be risk. So people can relate that to gambling in a sense, but it's not gambling. It's risk versus reward, right? In gambling, you know you're not getting rewarded. You have the highest probability of not getting rewarded. That's why it's a gamble. But if you work hard, if you study hard, if you're tenacious, then you'll likely reap the benefits of your hard work. And you know, you put up that risk, you put up time, you put up money, you trusted people, and then your business sees a return. It's the same thing here. You're ready to put up risk for your model. You're following a model, you're following your time-based price, and you see a return. Yesterday, I didn't see a return. In the PM session, the AM session was bent, but publicly, I didn't see a return yesterday afternoon. Where 2 afternoons prior, I seen a return. Well, when I started the live, and then I got that pinned tweet still of that PM, the grand finale of the day. But yeah, hey, Wildberries, he's got risk at 0 today. Nice. The reason why I asked because you're up 100 ticks prior. Yeah, like if it depends what time it does it. Right now, I still feel really on side, so no tail on that candle, right? Open 69375, low 69350. There is a 1 tick tail on that guy. There it is. This little guy here. Open 69375, 693, 1 tick tail. That's funny. Yeah, that's as well as your data set for sure. So these equal highs above my target is pretty much bait. So I'm not. If we would have taken that red line and not hit my target, I might be a little bit more weirded out, but this is okay. That 1 at 230 doesn't really do much. I think the actual news driver is 2. You're gonna have to check your email. That answer's in your email, brother. Yeah, I don't know if their FOMC release is at 2 or 2:30. You'll have to double check. Every KOL coming up for FOMC, I say a nothing burger on crypto. Well, I think crypto is not only waiting for the rate cuts, but this global debt rollover that they've been dangling over our heads for a year. As well, there's Trump bucks coming, big giant tax cut, probably eliminating income tax altogether. So that'll be interesting. If that's the case, I move to the US. They won't even let you no more, dude. They won't even let you anymore. Like, no off near. Seven minutes, bang on, there's the dip. Give me a little bit more and I'll add one. I missed it. Come on, touch it. Buy a Russian Bible? Weird. The good old nothing burger model. Well, I don't know. Maybe we should look at Bitcoin. No, it's Sam's looking at Bitcoin. I don't want to do that. Let's see. When you change your stop loss amount, it'll change how many contracts you're deploying, so keep that in mind. If you want views, give away an account. No, I don't do that stuff. I don't even have affiliate links, dude. I don't want to give somebody, you know, that's like giving an addict drugs. In most cases. Yeah. You should try out this drug. Your first hit's for free. You gotta lose on stream to get views. That's how it goes. Okay, I'll name this big giant loss. Devastation. Account blowing. Wrecked Cityville. Military grade blowout. That's funny. Back to the orange box. That thing is just torturing us. Remember Monday or something? I said have this on your chart throughout the week. It's likely going to be influential. It's just been acting like a big giant magnet. So this is where I want to start watching my very, very small time frames. And I want to see my thing bubble. Uh-oh. Jake, help me. Jake. Jake. So, down at my risk limit. So, I'm going to sell one here and reduce some of that risk. If it comes back up and does my thing, then I'll add. Oh. Tell me about 29. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, dang it. It's okay. So inside of the, what is that? It's a 1 minute breaker. Order block. There was a little breaker in there. Mitigation block here. Ooh, it's okay, but I'm gonna kill that. Nice, nice. Nice little scalpy poo for you. Nice. Yeah. I can't. I risk. Moderate risk. It's got to go my direction or it doesn't now. Look at this bugger. No fair value gap on that 15-minute. Still nothing burger on crypto. It's doing the same thing. BTC snapped up earlier. No, that was yesterday. But it's got its own double top at 93,238. So that looks pretty good looking. And see how we snapped down from my red line and got all the shorts feeling on side? This makes me feel really comfortable. But there was a chance that at 2:30 it could have tagged both my stops out here, and it still can. Just gotta be responsible. Oh. That's what they call me, constable responsible. Version fair value gap for the win. We get above that orange box and we're cooking. Now the shorts are freaking out. They're like, oh, but that's where the sellers came in. This guy that taught me how to trade, he said the double tops reverse price. Where? You know it. Minute and 23 seconds till we close this 5-minute candle, bottom right screen. 15 second is 15 seconds till close. We close above that orange box. I'm a happy camper. I would like to see it irrationally pump and not come back. Boop. And that's a boop. No, you said double tops reverse price. I don't want to see a sharp rejection. I want to see this sucker launch harder. Way harder. Alright. So this is that little nipple I was after yesterday. Right there. Target 1 acquired, target nipple 2 inbound. Nice, we closed above the orange box. Happy camper. We can revisit it, that's fine. We can wick through it, but I don't want to see a close back below. I was really hoping it would dip first. And it would have been a much bigger rush to get up there, in my opinion. We did kind of dip first here. Earlier. Come on. Flick my nip. Oop. Just grazed it. And now just send it. If we gotta wait 15 minutes, that might be a thing. So 400 and some ticks. I don't know. I can wait. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Slingshot that puppy. I personally want to see this thing launch. But if it breaks that orange box, I don't want to be in it. Three, two, one. That's fine. I'll permit that, but it can't close below. It's gotta get its butt up there. Oh, that music is really low, he told me. There we go. All right, Jake, I'm losing faith. You better help me. Jake, blow on that candle, buddy. Come on, blow harder. Nah, he's probably not here. Jake's got the power. Ten minutes and 31 seconds. And we'll have our answer. Holy, that's funny. What time was that? 40. Wow, that was funny. Right down to the inversion fair value gap. Wow. She's mean. She's just grabbing stops. Now I don't feel so onside. I didn't like that rejection at all. Yeah, thought so. Brutal. See, the first dip was fine, and now it's like, uh-oh. Uh-oh, we're at the orange box again, though. Like, this is what's got me bugging. What are we at? 486. That's pretty good. That's pretty dang good. Give it some time here. Boy, that's my thing. Man, that's definitely starting to look good now. Oh. Let's try it. 3, 2, open, load. Let's try it. And by let's, I mean me, not me. All three of me. Alright, we've got a couple of tries here without hitting max risk. We've got another $1,000 that I'm ready to deploy risk for return. And this 15-minute candlestick's got me feeling pretty cool just before the macro here. It's tagging sell-side liquidity, and order flow looks like it might do it. This is it, you guys. You sit, wait for a model, wait for your thing. Don't over position, know what you're doing, feel good about it. And even if it loses, who cares? Who cares? Because guess what? If today's a gong show, which it has been so far, I'm going to kill it tomorrow. That's the reality. If it doesn't want to run for me today, it's going to do it tomorrow. And then we'll get a TGIF on Friday. And realistically, it doesn't matter which way it runs. From here, we haven't done anything this week. So even if we're offside or whatever tomorrow, or maybe there's nothing, Friday would likely be that grand finale. And it'll be in a rush to get somewhere. My TP still up there? Two minutes, 10 seconds. Yeah, crypto's doing a nothing burger too, man. He just wants you to rip. Alright. Just a little more so I can peacock. What's up, bro? Nice, you took 300 ticks. Nice. I had great 2 trades right now. I'm done. Have a great evening. Have a nice evening, friend and friends. Gonna watch the rest tomorrow. All right, brother. Have a great evening. Good job today, man. I just hope it doesn't come down and stop me out first and then rip. That would suck. I'm hoping that this was it. I'm hoping that was it. Just a little more up, please. Just a little bit. A little bit more. The shorts are crap themselves. Yeah, they sure did, didn't they? And if they move their stop losses from my target 1 to that little nipple, you know where the books tell you to put your stop above the swing high? They were tagged. Bagged and tagged. But I want to see this thing moonshot. Like, it is time. Let's go. $808 now to go. Let's do it. 800 ticks. I'll take it. Man, this song hits me. Word up, Martin. Love you, bro. Yeah, boy. What a B, he says. Yeah, that's just trading, man. You gotta just take it as it does it. Sometimes, especially like these days, you expect it to be a freak show. You can't just be like, oh, it's gotta go up only right this minute. And sometimes you just gotta let it be a grouch. Or down wherever it's going. I feel like home, friend. Yeah, that's kind of how I felt when I showed up to the Discord. It was just like, yeah, these are my people. There we go. Right on schedule. So I'm up $2,000, and I'm actually gonna take that. Don't judge me. Okay, so that is, I'm up $1,500 or so from yesterday's loss. So not bad. Not bad. So first buy here, second buy. Remember now. I have to go through my own recording. Oh, right. That was it. It was that down close candle, but it fell down. Yeah, there it is right there. And then a tiny little stop out there. Stop out there. Purchase this guy right here. Bang. No need to panic. I need to find something that rhymes with panic. That's going to be a good one. I'm going to be using ChatGPT tonight. What rhymes with panic? And don't you dare say panic or you're a racist. All right, what's Sammy doing? Did crypto start moving yet? Is it gonna move?
Is it too late for
Man, nothing burger. Those little executions look like bugs on my chart. Can't stand them. I'd say it would want to reprice into here one more time. Open 73425, low 73425. So there's no tail on this candle. So revisiting this is definitely a tail. Well, this guy. No, we checked this one, right? Open 71475, low 714. No, so that's the same as well. Well, we'll see. It'll always get repriced too. Wow, let's go check that weekly chart out. I mean, this too, previous week high, obviously, right? Oops. Made it. It's almost there. Can you hear my belly on the mic? Hungry. Oops. That's like 10 dominoes. Decent curve. Good one, bro. Thank you. No, that was fun. I like FOMC. And that's a now runner activated. Nah, I'm just in and out today. Alright. There would have been a runner if I wouldn't have gotten that one tag. But actually, you know what? I would have got stopped out anyway. Or wait, wasn't my stop loss here? Yeah. Man, I was up late last night. Like, I am tired. Yeah. No, only one stop loss got tagged in the making, right? All my bugs. No, I think I got. Man, I can't even remember. Is it tagged at entry? And that's target 2. Okay, I said 808 and only touched 807. Either way. Model, play. No model, no play. Make it hard on yourselves. The cost of business, Bebo, what's going on? I seen someone signed up for VIP and now I don't get to see who did it because that part of the chat is gone. It's 4 a.m. over here. All right, Ricky did it. Get to bed. Have a good day. Have a good sleep, bro. See again, falling shy of the previous week high. This makes the shorts who have now moved their stop losses up continuously. My targets have been the shorts stop losses. I'm not using arrays to exit. I'm using liquidity pools specifically. So when this happens, and of course, like I, was mentioning it when it was falling down here, that I wouldn't mind if it did that. Made a bearish engulfing candle, even here, right? Comes down, gets the shorts feeling like they're really on side. They thank goodness I moved my stop, and then bam! Previous week high, which we're likely going for today. This here falling shy because every little nipple, the double top here that's supposed to reverse price, right? That didn't do it. Then that little nipple there where they're creeping their stop losses to here. Now, if they're really emotional and they have a big giant ego and can't take a loss, they'll now move their stops here. And there's already liquidity piled up here. So that's the logic for, price trending and not hitting specific price points. And then you got to be okay with price coming against you. It doesn't just go straight up or straight down. If you can see where the draw on liquidity is, you will invite those down movements so that you can buy dips. That's how it works in the trend. You won't be so afraid. Stop being so scared. Hype Whale just opened $3 million long on ETH. Will he make it? I don't know, man. I don't know. I seen that. It's supposed to be some Trump insider that they're hyping up. It's probably not an insider. It's probably just somebody who knows how to trade, who knows the difference between premium and discount, which is the opposite is buying and selling pressure. It's a joke. Buying and selling pressure is not a thing. Newsflash, ladies and gentlemen. It's riggedy rigged. So what do we got? We're at 303.53. So I'd say in let's say 3 more minutes, and we should be able to blast on up there. That's when I'd like to see it. So much nicer to trade after FOMC, isn't it, you guys? And price actually wants to do something. Sniper meow. No, he says. Not gonna lie, when I woke up and I seen those, ranges that were ripping to and through that orange box that we had throughout the week, I was like, wow, there's actually some solid setups there. All right, here we go. Trade down a little bit and then snap up. You got 2 more minutes. There we go. That's it. No, you're not going to do it on the 7? What else you got cooking here? NASDAQ. All right, I'll give it 5 more minutes. Hey, we ran out of music. Boy, that's why I didn't go to the gym. I just stayed home, relaxed. The mind down for top. Did you bring your girlfriend with you? That lady you were with, did you bring her with you? Oh, peace out, Ricky did it. Yeah, see you in the EST AM. Yes, sir. All right, 2 more minutes. You hit that red line. Give me a boop. She's playing hard to get today. Interesting. Of this level on your chart. All right, 1 more minute. This is it right here. This is for all the shekels in Israel. 3, 2, 1. Well, that's close enough for me. I mean, imagine knowing where price was going to go and what time it was going to get there.